Hey y'all, what's up? I'm Brian with Fishers Off-Road, and today I'm doing something a little bit different. Andy at Dirt Road Design hit me up and he asked me if I would take a look at his handles for the SuperATV flip-up windshield. You know, the typical handle that comes with your SuperATV flip-up windshield is like that. So you only get basically 2 notches there to let air into your vehicle. So if you're looking to have more airflow, Andy has made some handles, and he has the XL and the double XL, and we put the double XL on our R-Max. And I noticed that Andy does send a bigger spring than the stock SuperATV spring. I did put the bigger spring on, and I trimmed it because it actually touches the windshield here. When I trimmed it up, it's like this right here. It's not as bad as what I thought it would be when I was driving it. When I initially put it on there and checked the tension of it, it just didn't seem like it had a lot of tension. It was going to be bouncing in my face and annoying. But when we drove it, it wasn't bad at all. It didn't even bother me. But there is one of 2 options here. I talked to Andy. He said he's going to look into a more robust spring. He may have to make some changes. But another option is there's a shoulder bolt right here that SuperATV sends with that. You could take that shoulder bolt out and put a regular bolt in and a couple nylon washers and tighten it up to where you do get it a little bit tighter. So there's one option, but Andy is looking at another spring, so that's the option 2. I actually left the stock SuperATV handle on the other side, and I put this handle on and I ran it both ways. I tried it and said, okay, here's the stock SuperATV handle. Here's how much airflow we get. And then, as a matter of fact, just yesterday, my wife Melissa and I were out cruising, and we tried it like this right here, all the way out on the last notch with the double XL, and it left a good amount of air in, and it wasn't too much. And you could still see, you know, one of the things is visibility. So when you have your windshield like this, is it going to annoy you? Is it going to be in your way? But you can still see really good with the windshield like this. And of course, if you want, you can bring it in to 2 notches, 3 notches. Some of these are machine specific. Like this one here is for an R-Max, so you're gonna get a different latch down here on the bottom that's gonna go on your windshield. You can check them out at dirtroaddesignllc.com and also on Facebook. If you're looking for more airflow, check out Andy at Dirt Road Design. He'll be happy to help you out. We'll see y'all. Take care. Have a good one.